So as we look just up the street here, you'll see there's a building with a simple building with a pink face. That's the home to AirTree Ventures. So AirTree, one of the original two Australian VCs, they've written checks for most of our great founders and ventures. And they're just hidden here in the corner. I really appreciate the approach that AirTree bring to the ecosystem, where they've really gone out of their way to pay it forward. The kind of resources they've made available for the ecosystem through their website and some of the outreach they do is second to none globally. We're going to keep making our way a little bit down this way and tell a story not just of startup innovation, but corporate innovation. So let's head a little bit further down Elizabeth Street here.